You watching Radina Gali YouTube video. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you won't miss any future video. So, you want to travel around and become the professional photographer, but you don't even know how to set up your camera. You cannot just shoot without a lens, don't you? In this video, I will teach you how to set up your DSLR. First of all, you need the camera body itself. In this video, I'm using Canon EOS 4000D. And then, you need the camera lens. This is Canon EFS 18 to 55mm lens. You should get it when you buying the DSLR. Then, you need a battery that's compatible with your DSLR. You also should get it when you buying the DSLR. And last, memory card to store all the photos you got. Take your DSLR and your lens. Then rotate counterclockwise and open the cover. Then attach the lens by line up the symbol on your lens and your camera, and rotate it clockwise until there's a click sound indicate it's locked. And don't forget to set switch to autofocus. Next, you need to open the lid under your DSLR. You will see there's a two slot. The big one is for the battery and the small one is for the memory card. Then, all you need is simply insert the battery and the memory card. If it doesn't fit, you may need to turn it around. Just imagine like you're reloading your gun. Then, the last thing, just rotate the dial to auto and the DSLR will turn on. Don't forget to open the lens cap. And you're ready to go. You need to practice though. Thanks for watching. Press the like or dislike button and comment what you're thinking about this video. And if you still have a trouble, try reading the manual you get when buying this DSLR. It may help you a lot.